Old stuff.
No, the one we did today. No, just kidding, no. Alright, so, kanina po.
You sure that's angled right?
Yes, so, that's the same angle.
It looks like it's more this way.
Really? I mean,
No. No, it's too much, it's too much, it's too much. Yeah,
Yeah.
there.
there you go.
Yeah.
So, kanina po, naputol kasi medyo konti na po yung memory. So, just continuate animation of like what we're doing a while ago. Ngayon po, gagawin natin yung natawag na usutugare in Japanese, in judo. What it is, it's like this. Arm control, head control, pulling down. Ito po, papunta dito. Habang ito naman pong upper body nyo, gumaganyan. So, mangyari po sa kanya, pulling ba siya? Okay? So, isa pa po. Isa pa. Control, head control, arm control. Pull down. Pull him down. Then go in. Okay. Sa split fight po, lakasan nyo kasi mangyari din sa kanya. Pag masyadong malakas, nanakaw siya. Masyadong malakas. Tatama po yung ano niya, yung likod niya sa ground. So yan, yung pong usutugare. Maraming salamat po sa panonood ng Kamao Bebop Show.